Let's explore the Hitched Wedding Checklist. Now, this is a free tool along with all of our other free tools that you can use to help plan your big day. It has everything you need to organize the perfect wedding from the very first week all the way until the final day. To get started, log into your Hitched account and navigate to the second icon at the top panel. That's this one here. When you click on it, you'll be taken to your wedding checklist. As you can see, there's a section for absolutely everything, with a total of 115 potential tasks that you can complete. As you can see, I've completed 0, so I've got some work to do. Depending on where you are on your wedding journey, you can focus on a specific time frame. For example, let's say that you just got engaged. Therefore, you probably have at least 10 to 12 months to go before your big day, which is why those tasks are at the very top, because you'll begin with them. Then it moves into the fewer and fewer months leading up to the date, from 7 to 9, 4 to 6, 2 to 3, the last month, 2 weeks, last week, the final day, and even after the wedding. You can quickly jump to certain sections depending on where you are during your wedding journey, so don't worry if you've already begun and you just want to use this to pick up from where you left off. Let's say that you've just started making your wedding checklist now, but you only have 6 months to go. You would select from 4 to 6 months, and instantly that filter applies so you only see the tasks relevant to this time period. The list is so helpful because it separates out essential tasks to gift lists, to bride accessories, to flower and decoration, to wedding invitations, to reception tasks, everything you might need to think of. But if you really just want to worry about the most important things, just look for the essential tasks. You can remove the time period filter whenever you want by coming back up here and selecting the cross next to 4 to 6 months. Now we're back to the entire time period. If you want to just focus on a specific category, you can scroll down to by category and select planning, legal, ceremony, or anything that you're interested in. For example, let's say that I just want to see tasks related to flowers and decorations. I would select this section here. And instantly it tells me which tasks are relevant to this category and when I need to start thinking about them. For example, I know I need to book the florist at least 7 months before my big day because it's in the 7 to 9 months category. But I don't need to drop off the decor to the venue until the last day. Once again, you can quickly scroll back to different sections by selecting different categories. And if you ever want to remove a filter, just go back up to the top. Once you've completed something on your list, it's as simple as ticking it off. Don't worry, the task won't disappear from your list. It will simply go into a new section called Done, which is highlighted in green. Right now, our filter means that we're only looking at pending tasks, in other words, tasks to be completed. But if we do want to see what we've already finished, you can just go across to the left-hand side and select Done. Here you'll see everything you've already finished. There's a lot to think about when planning a wedding, so it's helpful to be able to see what's been done and what is yet to do. Once again, if you ever want to get rid of the filter, just go to the top and delete. And that's pretty much it. Once you've completed your wedding checklist, you can go to the right-hand side and download your wedding checklist into a PDF. It's that simple. You can even print it out as well and give it to your partner or your wedding planner or anyone else who might need it.